Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Priya Jatin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite Indian street food dishes, which is Pani Puri. Without further delay, let's get cooking. So now let's start off making the dough for the puri. So for that I've taken a cup of semolina. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of wheat flour, a tablespoon of plain flour. To this I'm adding a pinch of salt and a little bit of oil. Now I'm just going to add a little water and make this into a dough. So as you can see, I've made a dough out of this. Now I'm just going to keep this aside for 20 minutes and we'll get our panis ready. So now I'm going to show you how to make two types of pani. One is the sweet and the tangy one, the other one is the spicy one. So first we'll start off with the sweet and the tangy one. So for that I'm adding tamarind juice into the bowl. Next I dissolved some jaggery in some hot water. Now I'm going to be adding this into this as well. Now I'm adding some chili powder, cumin powder, and some salt. Now just mix all this together. Now to this I'm just going to add some water. Now I'm just going to set this aside. Now we'll make the spicy mix. So grind the following ingredients. I'm taking half a bunch of coriander leaves, half a bunch of mint leaves, 2 green chilies, ginger powder, chaat masala, and a little bit of salt. To this add a little bit of water and make this into a fine paste. So after you've grinded it, just strain it so that you take out all the pulp. Now to this I'm just going to add half a lime, next a bit of cumin powder. So mix all this together. Now I'm just going to add a bit more water. Now this is ready. I'm just going to keep this aside and we'll get the stuffing ready. So for the stuffing, I had boiled up some potatoes earlier. To this I'm just going to be adding some onion, chopped green chilies, chaat masala, a little bit of cumin powder, a little bit of chili powder, and a little bit of salt. Now mix all this together. Now the filling for the pani puri is ready. Now I'm just going to make the puris. So I'm just rolling out small puris. You can also roll out a big one and then using a cutter you can cut them into shape as well. So make sure that the puris are really thin, as you can see here. So make sure that the oil is really hot when you're frying the puris. As soon as you put it in, it should rise up to the top. Just gently press on the puris. And there you go viewers, this is how you make Pani Puri. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. I'll see you with a new exciting video next time. Until then, this is Priya Jatin signing off.